on our way to the beach. I'm so excited! Give me a kiss, Sissy. Give me a kiss. Her lips are really wet. Probably she licks them. She said, see. I just got to the beach and look what I already made. A princess shell castle. And I'm going to build more onto it. So, yeah. I'm just going to put a little dry sand on top of it to make it fancy.
That looks good.
Thank you. Okay, so look. I'm just going to sprinkle this on to make it nice and fancy. Almost like you're putting sprinkles. And do you know my brother's making one? And he caught a spider in our bucket, so he's going to make a spider museum. And the spider is laying in the sand in the bucket. It's like tanning, kind of. Okay, so what I'm gonna do is find rocks and shells to put it on. So it's on one rock. Here. I'm gonna grab this one too to go right in the middle, right here. So it can just stay right there. Then here, put one there, and put one there. Let's find more shells. There's a lot over there. So this is going to be the middle to it, and this is just going to be the entrance, but I'm going to make a wall. Then this is like a tunnel just to play in, but I'm going to cover that, and then it just leads into there. That's really much. And then I'll build some other things in it.
This is Taylor's pool we brought. She's resting.
Hey,
what are you doing?
Spider is sleeping. Never mind, he's not. Come on, buddy. He is fast. Look at him. My spider is clearly just moving. Well, not really moving, but he is just chilling. Sitting there and chilling. Or maybe tanning a little bit. He's just tanning too. Even though spiders don't tan. What? Where did he go? There he went. Did he just go to the other side? Whoa, he's fast. Too fast to race. Whoa, whoa. How can I? Where did he go? There you go. Whoa, whoa. I can't see. Where is he? There he is. Just let him tan. So I'm just going to my brother's floaty in the water, and my mom's gonna spin me. Yay!
How does it feel?
Feels nice.
You look comfortable.
Look, it's pushing me forward. Watch, Mom. Mom.
You're okay. We're on the boardwalk. It's a little too windy. Whoa. Whoa. It's windy. Let's see where these two are. Whoa! What are you guys doing? Go, girl! Go! Go, 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 go!
Everyone is watching. Okay, I'm gonna go from over there.
She's scared. She's scared.
Sorry, not the water, people.
You backing out?
You coming? Try to jump.
Make up your mind.
Why don't you run and jump? I'm not.
She crazy. Be careful. Hi, Taylor. Are you having fun? Yeah? What is that? Let me see. Ooh, pretty. Yeah. Hi, Mama. Are you at the beach? Taylor. Taylor. Hey. You want to lay down? What? Who's that? Your elephant? Your elephant is there. You having fun? Who's that? Nobody. People. Where are you going? You want to get on? Get on?
Left the beach. We're going home and we're gonna take a shower and go to bed. But we're gonna watch a little bit of TV because today's Friday. We gotta pick up some pizza. What are you talking about? Pizza's for dinner. Oh yeah, I forgot. Pizza. And my baby sister's sleeping. Want to see her?